The time is 7:33 p.m. Good evening. Today is Wednesday, September 1st, 2021, and the news headline. 5 things Buhari did at Aso Rock in the last 48 hours. As the new week commenced, a few days ago, President Muhammadu Buhari has done some important things at Aso Rock in the last 3 days. Some of the important things include: number 1, President Muhammadu Buhari participated virtually in the Nigerian Jubilee Fellows program at State House on Tuesday, 31st August 2021. The president also launched a post-NYSC work placement program that will provide 20,000 employment opportunities for Nigerian youth. Number 2, President Muhammadu Buhari received in a farewell audience the outgoing ambassador of the Republic of Tunisia, His Excellency Mr. Jalel Trabeisi, at State House on 31st August 2021. President Muhammadu Buhari thanked the outgoing ambassador for loving Nigeria and Nigerians. Number 3, President Muhammadu Buhari also presented a flag to the All Progressive Congress candidate Andy Uba in the Anambra State governorship election at Aso Villa on Tuesday. The president says that he is anxious about the victory of Andy Uba in the forthcoming election. In his remarks, he actually said that the candidate was accompanied to the event by the chairman, caretaker and convention planning committee of the party and governor of Yobe State, Mai Mala Buni, Governor Gboyega Oyetola of Osun, Yahaya Bello of Kogi, Hope Uzodinma of Imo, who is also chairman campaign council, Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos, Boss Mustapha, secretary to the government of the Federation, and George Akume, minister for special duties and intergovernmental affairs. Governor Buni said APC daily receives new entrants from Anambra State, citing the recent campaign of Senator Stella Odua and Joy Emodi, adding that Anambra is right for us and we will work together for victory. In his remarks, Mr. Uzodinma, as chairman of the campaign council, assured the president that the message of the party would be taken to the people of Anambra, which will translate to victory for us in September. He also thanked the president for making the job easier because of the integrity and honor he has in Nigeria. He said his name will open doors for them. A lot of people come into the party today because of it. And by the grace of God, we will be successful, Governor Uzodinma concluded. Number 4, President Buhari inaugurated the board of Nigeria Sovereign Investment Authority, NSIA, on September 1st, 2021. The inauguration ceremony took place on Wednesday at the Presidential Villa in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. Shortly after the inauguration, President Buhari presided over a virtual meeting of the Federal Executive Council, FEC. The Vice President, Professor Yemi Oshibanjo, the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Mr. Boss Mustapha, and Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, were physically in attendance, and also present physically include the Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Zainab Ahmed, Attorney General of the Federation, and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, and Minister of Humanitarian and Disaster Management, Sadiya Farouk. The head of service of the Federation, Folashade Yemi Eson, and other ministers attended the meeting virtually from various offices in Africa. And number 5 of the week is that the president presided over the Federal Executive Council meeting, FEC, at the State House on Wednesday. The meeting was attended by the Vice President of Nigeria, the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Boss Mustapha, and Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari. Other officers who actually were in attendance as well were Babatunde Raji Fashola, the Science and Technology Ogbonnaya Onu, and Federal Capital Territory Minister Muhammad Bello. The head of service of the Federation, Dr. Folashade Eson, participating in the weekly cabinet meeting from their various offices in Abuja. The news analysis. The time is 7:39. This is just a cursory view of the 5 things that Buhari did at Aso Rock in the last 48 hours. Despite the news all around that President Muhammadu Buhari has turned deaf ears to the insecurity of the state and is not actually working towards the safeness of the citizens of the country, yet these are 5 things that he has done in the last 48 hours, which is approximately 3 days at the Aso Rock. Number 1 is that he participated in the Nigerian Jubilee Fellow Program at the State House on Tuesday, 31st of August 2021, which was yesterday. And he met with the NYSC officials where he launched a post-NYSC work placement program, which will give room for about 20,000 Nigerian youths to get a job after their service. Also, President Muhammadu Buhari received in a farewell audience the outgoing ambassador of the Republic of Tunisia, His Excellency Mr. Jalel Trabelsi, at the State House on the 31st August 2021, yesterday, and he actually thanked the outgoing ambassador for showing love to Nigeria and also to Nigerians. President Muhammadu Buhari again has actually presented a flag to the All Progressive Congress candidate Andy Uba in the Anambra State governorship election at Aso Villa on Tuesday. The president actually disclosed that he is anxious about Andy Uba's victory in the forthcoming election and that he is going to make sure that he monitors it with full attention. The event was witnessed by 5 state governors, including Mai Mala Buni of Yobe State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, Yahaya Bello of Kogi State, Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, and the governor of Osun State, Gboyega Oyetola. Also, President Muhammadu Buhari inaugurated the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority (NSIA) today, September 1st, 2021.